Life. What an amazing chapter. We spend our lives acquiring so many incredible things. Each of them has their own value, but the most valuable of them all are our relationships. Our husbands, our wives, our children, and our friends. Our parents, sisters, brothers, and more. Each relationship is special in their own unique way. Though we would love to spend an eternity with these relationships, the reality is that one day we must leave them. One day we will leave this earth and venture into the next phases of our destiny. For most of us, that day will come without notifications nor warnings. It will not be expected, and it will not be planned. My mother always told me to cherish every day because tomorrow is not promised to any of us. When we leave this earth, many of us will depart without having the chance to say our final farewells. No last opportunity to say those special words that we would carefully select to make sure they described exactly how we feel to each of the people that mean the most to us. Those final words we would say if we knew we would never see or speak to them again. Every day we see in the news car accidents, hurricanes, falls, and worse. For sure, no one involved in these daily tragedies thought that when they left home that morning, it would be the last time they would ever speak to the ones they love. Final Word is the first application ever created that allows each of us to create personalized videos and other specific content for each of the people we care about that will only be delivered after we pass on from this earth. With incredible features, including the ability to add important information like insurance policies, wills, account information, and so much more. Never again will families be left trying to figure out how to keep things going after the unexpected passing of a loved one. There are very few things in this life as important as the people we love knowing how deep and awesome our love for them truly is, especially after we are no longer able to personally tell them. For everyone you love and care about, no matter when or how it may happen, when we leave this earth, make sure they are able to experience your final word.